How to have a great first kiss by Howcast. Specific kissing tips. Even if you have years of great kissing under your dating belt, the following are definitely some good reminders. Taste and smell your lipstick, gloss, and chapstick. Make sure they are pleasing. Use touch to enhance your kissing experience. Lick and press lips together slightly before kissing to soften, moisten and warm them. Most kissers close their eyes, so you should too, although it can be nice to look at each other once in a while. Kiss other parts of the body rather than just the lips. Kissing is an important part of a healthy relationship. Don't let your pucker die away. Incorporate kissing into your day, pecks on the cheek in greeting, a smooch before leaving for work, a tender bedtime neck canoodle. Rub noses while kissing for childish fun. Take advantage of the sensual tongue, with all its touch and taste sensations. Giggle and laugh while kissing. Enjoy yourselves. Making out. In traditional making out, the kiss of choice is the French kiss. While most of us receive lots of practice with casual kissing at a young age, the French kiss is a bit more elusive. If you need some more guidance in this passionate practice, consider the following French kissing tips. Always ensure both of you are relaxed, comfortable and snuggled before beginning a longer makeout session. Find the perfect romantic setting, lighting, sounds, and aromas all help to create the mood. Start out slow, with gentle closed lip kissing, moving into the more heated tongue kisses. Utilize your other body parts to enhance the passion. Caress your partner's face, touch her hair, wrap your legs together, hug and push close together. When using your tongue to kiss, you want to avoid too much. Make sure the tongue is relaxed and the movements gentle and subtle. Brush your tongue inside your partner's mouth, suck slightly on each other's tongues, and tickle the lips. Avoid too much movement while kissing, make your actions controlled and relaxed. Remember to take breathing breaks. Take control of your saliva. Enjoy sensual kissing. Kissing is a fun way to connect with your partner romantically. Bump up your kissing technique by paying close attention to your senses, reading your partner's cues, and varying the pressure and style of your kissing.